Inside Donald Trump's gold-covered penthouse, this penthouse is dripping in gold. But the deeper you look, the more secrets you uncover. Today, we're stepping inside one of the most extravagant private homes in America, Donald Trump's world-famous gold-covered penthouse. Welcome back to Money Makes Luxury, where we explore the world of billionaire living. Before we jump inside this gold-soaked masterpiece, hit the like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you never miss another luxury deep dive. Let's begin. The location and origin. This penthouse sits 58 floors above Fifth Avenue, at the top of the iconic Trump Tower in New York City. Designed in the early 1980s, this wasn't just meant to be a home, it was meant to be a statement. Inspired by Louis XIV's Palace of Versailles, Trump wanted something that screamed royalty, wealth, and power. The architect, the legendary Angelo Dogna, known for designing some of the most glamorous interiors of the decade. But this penthouse isn't just expensive. It's a three-story mansion floating in the sky. First impression, the grand entrance. The moment you step in, everything hits you at once. The floors, 24-karat gold inlaid marble. The ceiling, hand-painted murals inspired by Greek mythology. The walls, trimmed with gold leaf, polished to mirror perfection. Even the doors, the literal handles, are plated in gold. A pair of towering Corinthian columns greets you, framing the skyline like a royal picture. This isn't interior design, this is theatrical luxury. The living room. This is the room you've seen in countless interviews, photos, and magazine covers. The furniture looks like it was taken straight out of a royal palace, because it basically was. Velvet sofas, marble tables with golden edges, crystal vases and ancient-style sculptures everywhere. Above you, a massive crystal chandelier sparkles like a mini galaxy. It reflects off the gold trim on every single surface. And then there's the view. Floor-to-ceiling windows showing Central Park, the Empire State Building, and the endless glow of Manhattan. This isn't just a living room, it's a statement of dominance. The dining room looks more like a presidential banquet hall. A long marble table sits under another chandelier, surrounded by chairs with gold-etched designs and royal red upholstery. The decorative plates, custom, the sculptures, museum quality, the vibe. I am the king of this tower. Even the ceiling is covered with artwork designed to look like the inside of a European palace. Imagine eating breakfast while surrounded by $100,000 worth of decor before 9 a.m. The golden staircase. This is one of the most iconic parts of the penthouse. A dramatic spiral staircase with gold-braided handrails connects all three floors. Every step is polished marble. Every edge shines under custom lighting. This staircase alone costs more than most people's entire houses. Melania Trump's private lounge. Melania has her own private area, calm, elegant, and still dripping in luxury but slightly softer. Cream-colored fabrics, gold accents, custom French furniture. It's where she handled personal projects, photo shoots, and family time. The walls are lined with priceless art pieces and framed photos of Barron growing up. Even her desk is carved, polished, and gold-trimmed. The Trump family room. This is where the family spent time together, and it feels less formal, but still outrageously luxurious. Plush seating, warm lighting, family portraits in ornate frames. But the showstopper here is the Central Park view. Sunsets from this floor look like gold melting into the city, fitting for this home, the master suite. Now it gets even crazier. The master bedroom is enormous, decorated with marble, silk, and of course, more gold. The bed frame itself is covered in gold carvings, with custom fabrics imported from Europe. The ceiling features another mural, because in a penthouse like this, blank ceilings are unacceptable. The bathroom has marble from Italy, gold-plated fixtures, and a giant soaking tub that looks like it belongs in a palace spa. Price and value. How much is all this worth? Originally, Trump valued this penthouse at around $100 million, placing it among the most expensive homes in America. Even today, experts estimate it to be somewhere between $50 to $80 million, depending on market conditions. But the value goes beyond money. This penthouse became a cultural symbol of power, controversy, and unapologetic wealth. The golden symbol. Love him or hate him, Donald Trump's penthouse is one of the most recognizable luxury homes on earth. It represents everything his brand stands for: opulence, excess, grandeur, power. It's not subtle, it's not minimalist, it's Trump. And that is your full tour inside Donald Trump's legendary gold-covered penthouse, a home that looks less like a residence and more like a floating palace over Manhattan. If you enjoyed this luxury deep dive, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell so you never miss a luxury tour, and check the full luxury tour on our channel for more billionaire homes. This is Money Makes Luxury, where we take you inside the world only billionaires get to see. See you in the next video.